Bonjour and xin ciao, sandwich fans. I find myself in possession of half a baguette today, so I'm gonna make myself some sort of a banh mi. Right, boy? That's right. I've even got some canned foie gras to put on there. One of the many nice things the missus gave me for my birthday a couple weeks ago. It smells a bit like cat food, though. I'll make some spicy mayo with this mayonnaise and Montana's smokin' habanero hot sauce. I've got a bunch of cilantro, some cucumber, some baby carrots I'll slice and pickle. I've got no jalapenos because frost killed my garden. Yes, we get frost in August here in the Yukon. No daikon either, but what are you gonna do? I still don't have any pork loaf. I'm going to use this salami, and I'm going to use some leftover corned beef. Now, don't judge. We're just doing the best we can with what we have. You'll also remember that the banh mi is actually a product of French colonialism in Vietnam, and there are many different varieties. The staple ingredients tend to be baguette, cucumber, cilantro, pickled carrots, white radishes, which I do not have, and mayonnaise. Oh, and pate. Plus, who can be mad when I work with a baby? So anyway, start by cutting up the carrots, doing a quick pickle in some vinegar, sugar, salt, and water. That's rice vinegar and black vinegar. Then cut some cucumbers, and we'll slice open our bread. And we'll slap that canned foie on there. And then our spicy mayo. Then our salami, and some corned beef. Then we'll load on the cucumbers, and our pickled carrots. And then a shit ton of coriander or cilantro. Combine. Take a moment to admire your gigantic creation. It's pretty big, so we will cut diagonally and admire. And the most important step, consume and enjoy. So sad. Hooray!